enti Ghana cocoa akuafo no abeti ni suo na omo be blame Ghana government omo kire mu say since last year October mu edi besi ne omo cocoa mu ton bia bisa yentua mu ka Ghana se omo ni sika betua cocoa ka ama we abia sense na comedian so bisa omo ka omo akosem na so serious me man kire mu no akire wa adwa ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mess say ni di mu we be like video no other on subscribe buttons aba click notification icon for latest update aba kire wa adwa da ma me e wo comment section so ba so no share for so nya bia hwe so back at 200 for your collection mu no ato force ngojina sahwi e ho no waka say aban otisu edis natene ku for that so ka say ku for sisi wo mo senka cocoa no aban timi to bag bia 65 million na yantuma Mahama de oba one to cocoa ne kura na enye 60 million eti yantuma e ma no to akuafo ni tiri mu omo ka no omo anya calculation ni say dollar e wo high edu jaki world market na e wo say 20 say na emomo no say BBC na dollar so tia e bo no so beba fom wo ma anfa no na nhya akuafo ni tiri mu omo kwa kan say wo world price and the world market and for cocoa per year price on the world market here I was saying ka buy na to kura de otinto cocoa bag 65 million e no me say o mu tiri mu e da kwani bi ho no nimu say en ne aban ni sisi e de kwafo nya ni say na aban ni sisi wo mu but o man fa share kwafo ni tiri mu say bibi betimi asi ama cocoa bo no aperform je we say to be we na ne de round abi e cocoa bo ho say all the president and CEO now we say from there no cocoa board niam we brain na happen e wo ho no mo niam we brain na cost e wo cocoa board aso e ho do say Ghana for from time to time be on be count na we say dey emu kese ye cocoa for no akuafo no mo do cocoa no now no e dis ba ye no omo etuma pump sika kura forex market ho no omo ton ye gold bi e dey ada ne dollars inject akura forex ho no mo ama cedi no enya hoden against the dollar to cedi dollar bo e ba from after no inflation rate e ba from and on the world market cocoa price e ba from under normal circumstance obia di adanse say obia na adwumda obia di adanse say and the bibia si ba from there e was say locally so cocoa price e ba from but no dia ba dia be den say akuafo na omo no mugungura mu sabi e do cocoa no ono obu fa world market internet enya hwe hey data chromos on online edidiesie enyo masem de dani tirimu kuani ono ti sahwi dani tirimu ne say aban we so to cocoa back 65 million no ne kwa ka kire no say bibie so atia ene mo nsan ko enko kan kire omu but yen ka hwe nkire akuafo no na we say last year if October ebesi ne akuafo bi omni cocoa eko cocoa crash was omu kwa kade no cocoa na color ke ho no mo crash sisike no aban ne fasika maaye se mfanto cocoa ama we abia semsebe na no ba ye no ebi mu ka se ai ndc fi mo sato mu defense mu defense ne se ai akuafo no mo ntiase na aban ne ntibon se wontimi to cocoa Ghana ha ebi se dollar ba from inflation rate ba from and I was say bibia ebo etimi ba from mo kasa sebe ase mo ye enyansafo a mabeda ne nkwasiafo wo kasa sa ase sebe unimu nyansa but what sheda na wujimie in a way say inflation aba from yetiase dollar aba from yetiase bibia e wazenka bibia aba from babuza won say adentina inflation rate eba from na dollar eba from the government no eto salary mu we always had that question say ye ditum say bibia abo aba from I mean say ye to ebuo mu per the inflation rate and the economy stand and based on edema salary increment say be ya wakati obete ne bosume no ebetimi meet the standard of the economy the standard of the current economy ebetimi meet the standard say be ya ne wakati obetimi nya bi area feed on was enya kakra asave it is a believe say na say enya fake inflation rate aba from enya fake dollar na believe say Ghana economy inflation aba from dollar swatia adentra last year abantu edwefo akatuem adentra tum se ne ka bibia aba from tene nisem kwatum adentra tum or abana ka se nimu se bibia ma from or abana ka se yawe se nothing has reduced no mo anka se na infiltrated the mind of the Ghanaians e bibi show maju o mo anka se ni bibia ma from because if they believe say bibi abafom a why then last year omuto adwumayfo akatua mu why then say nka bibi abafom and nka was nka even o makatua ne kura be nka edru cause nka no so tie because inflation ene exchange rate ye check ye ene de ma that salary increment ma ko ta kuduru ho no and nka was now nka bibi aso timete ko be kai say na Mahama ebe free 2016 na teacher fa akatua kwa enuru 20 million. But because of inflation rate, the good for the buyer no, and the cost no, what two of which need more than 30 million bosome. Edica and under normal circumstances, be as a table for one. It was like it goes down with that. But here's the case, sir. You believe the economy back from, but you say to Nkatuemu or for the Kwachimugo presidential staff one no. And your 60% plus salary increment. Omoya day. Says if you are for adding it to Nkatuemu. That's it. And to assume Cocoa for they demand their money, but we just can't emma. And no, I know the Nibere Abacasa, na most of can there, and your Fedi agro.
Ah, so I show. Any of our bands or bedam will be our old batch and remember the idea and bar what I wouldn't yaka. That's what I found to make my Bible for the school buyer. Me and Amishano. Of course, made 30 bars an apple. Ya mamma bago ba kukurasika. Ne wo me sanfa we nko pisu ti we de me am ebobo aye na Milo original Ghana Milo won ti ase eja say okoro ye ne ya kwan koro de beye ya de beba mu ato amuntu ye ka de ye ne ye be ye nkwan ne abom ti wo hu anti na me se sama de ye me e woni ni ah
See a wisi for
na you know ah
one two de
hwe won no be che me won na be che me oye ni ya Bible kan osu ye ni ya nko ni monte ah wonu yu ye ni ya nko ni monte acha
John Mahama uko ye betikura ni aha ye betikoku no ni aha udi mirika hu den tro nkontompo e ko tu ko breman e be gi akonya no tena so no ahu de oye oman no koko efisi e ba wiase asasi so a Ghana ha tena ha mi sha eminyini bedu sa breye John Mahama mi hu se koko adi bosome e ko bosome mienu asika ni ho da anase ye bedi bronya akuafo ye ni abre kwati koko ne de bedi bronya obati koko na akari koko no a osika no koko nyina kakrache ho unya hwe ifrim afi komo ye de adi bronya yi tweri amponya kopon ko anenim okari koko ya krache se sika ni ho aban wa anto koko wo aban wa anto koko afi na wo anto koko afi no ankura na eto no oboso kire ese o pese wo kire ese hwemirika wo de ese wo ti gold board akotan sami jamfi sika bia ma no mo sa ndis na mo mu nyansa ni wo mu no ene hwan enyansa fo wo mu no be mi ensa pe mi ensa no so yi wo mu nyina esi nchen sami jamfi wei e ba ade no be ye de abo man kasa ho no kasa ho say e kwa yanko school ni nyansa asene no ye yanko school sami jamfi ni say ni nyansa asene no ade wo mu no ade ba no utrewu wo John Mahama na nkasa utrewu da bia obeba bia ensanjani mpo na wo ye ukoton gold aton aboka koko na wo ye nya sika nto no say sika do say koko no sabe ko to koko no e de ekokora ma ye nyina ye ho atoye o me ye di bronya wese ya ye nya hwe afa di bronya John Mahama afre ipa boni sem sa no ani hwe he nkwa wo ye hwan nkwa wo ye hwan e na wo kire ye sa ah udi gold board unya sani be na de ba betena ho amna ba he gold no so ye tora da umto gold no what se kabiba what leader ya obaye sa de we ye nya sika ya tete koko edi koko na ko shed krachi se sika ni ho e ko busumi mienu bronya ye dine we se ye nya hwe afani bronya ana ni pa bon force John Mahama hweye ne nyame betua wo ka onyankopon betua wo ka ukosoro ba fom wo betua wo ka ade na in pabon mi za ana wo ye de tena ho na abehu do obebu maaya o se tawia entimi te de obebu e maaya o se tawia entimi o se sika asesama onu nua no mo ma no e mo mo de organize sa boxing no John Mahama o de tokoko a Kenya faso bibire afiri so kakoko no komo ma ye ho atoye o ye nipa bonefo oni wan DC nyina ade wanya nkotere a omunwene hwehwehwe asa koto aba e de ama wo sa ba be president o saliana dollar swat dollar do hala sika nyenya bi ne de bronya aye di bronya resi am bronya na twam awreho bronya nko ana ye de nye wo ye ni bronya we bi da bronya we ni bi da o John Mahama o person ye di sa bronya fon a ye nya hwi mfe ni bronya pa bonfo common boto kwakora di kokoro no begum enka kuafo no kra no ye de kwa nkomu afiri no de kwa kanya den ya om de kwa nkaja e benya isika boto krom di gum kra boto ni ho nko a wo ye di enipa obabia nsankyene akese basa de so wo ye nso emfanfa so de ma nsankyene akese basa so fanfa so we bi emre ha John Mahama eyema what say papa na da asho nso nyame be kire papa oh e da mo ase
Wama yedi yenia to so wo sheye bo bi se bebu akoko akuafo afe omu ha doso afe eka na emiri omu en bo se na wo she akuafo no eduru omu so ganafo aban papa ba ganafo akuafo no ekep ganafo enne koko akuafo esu ganafo omu so economy na yesi ayeyi no economy na yesi ejina na so economy na yesi yatitifu eso enti obi adidi am ganafo koko akuafo ye dey ekem ene de koko akuafo to meyire that day sambe wa me na John Mahama bayero abi koko akuafo no akuafo zo mani nyere ene ho kra ganafo akuafo ni su.
Now what is happening at Ghana's cocoa sector? Hey, anyone myself sisi o. Ekumu say you're very careful. Are you aware, sir, since November, Ghana National Association of Cocoa Farmers say, since November, Abronye cocoa must supply to the various license buying companies, LBCs and Tiomkai. What is happening? What in God's name is happening? And Abronye cocoa farmers, there was nothing for them. Cocoa beans were must supply. I am told that some of them are starting warehouses and there's no money to move them. Hey, we have been told of dollar above from. That is all that they are telling us. And you know, cocoa has been the backbone of this republic for several years. Now, by the way he's dealing with the cocoa sector, and the there's no money. Cocoa board is dry. In fact, a buying company cocoa from the produce buying company PBCs, they are in debt over 400 million. So there's no money. I feel individual private businesses are cocoa, then cocoa for there's no money because ordinarily government will give them money for them to buy the cocoa on their behalf. There is no money. When people say, so what is happening? The fact of the matter is the cocoa prices globally are dropping. Now, the usual thing is cocoa will be a friend of forward sales. Unse cocoa nti na on kase me da badwa man so me beton cocoa ni atode bi enye ne sa nti ansa na afene be hyase na say the crop season be hyase no omo to cocoa na kese mu de ye chocolate ni other beverages no Ghana cocoa board no be negotiations for much share cocoa and the number of tonnages are omo beto nti e fa ne say enke na ne ye dwen 2027 ho ede nti omo ne omo be ka no magya to nti omo ditu a na any cocoa board inside documents say 2027 cocoa no se ete no hata na so ton famre no matter sane no enti cocoa board based negotiation and the forward sales say before you begin your crop season no aton beans in it. Now what is happening is originally there was something we call syndicated loan where cocoa board ever call the international market who some banks maybe about 4 or 3 no about together no decide say okay remember cocoa board sika we are $2 billion no they talk cocoa no nobody talk cocoa nobody come companies no year forward sales now companies need to can buy fire account na yeah loan na they carry their ma aban. Now what happens is that sometimes yes syndicated loans now sika no mo segment sika nim e be $2 billion omo fa ni nyama we want so ma release be $600 million first tranche another tranche another tranche. Now the irony is that sometimes sika no kwa ba bedu Ghana no na ya toy cocoa no dia koma oma ye no mo ye negotiation for forward sales mo twa sika no kwa koma banks no. And the previous administration led by Cocoa Board CEO Edu who say and they say yes because you no be loan am for sika na my intem mo be delay am betu am so betu an kakra betu an kakra bo wan say yan kasa yakoton cocoa ma sika na ba ma mo de mate mo de enti yem pe kwa bi so e be self finance yan be pesika wa ha se de be yan kodu bi abesia and o shase. Now what happens is that about way by head no self finance one man ni and the and syndicated loan, there's a challenge with that already because now you're opting out. And a self financing, so never going to come with a cocoa board, you come back Bower Rock. So there's no money to cocoa board. And now I'm buy and ne cocoa for us supply mobinsa, be seen a bit more train, if you know $10, if you know $20, if you know $100, or sick I am chamo. Now, so I buy what your member year populism and the propaganda. Now, so I member by your good, forest. This is what happens. And now, Mohana, new baby, I send you a message. I buy one money. I'm saying, more electricity costs 30%, water costs 20%. I buy get you 4 or my 9%. Do my 4 year, do my 11 months, you 1 month. More road, how many road projects have been constructed? Hospitals are about for about that and one. How many of them are continuing? Road projects been year. It's more this fiscal book fiscal discipline and reflecting in our markets and in our pockets. No? Is that the modern bar abominable? I think most of our so you see, you will lie your way through, but the revelations on the ground will bring to bear the challenges that we are facing. And the best rabbi, Coco de Munya pa, a craft for my brain pa, your best friend, uncle and Nico. Now say there will be a fiscal policy be now the finance will be basically my cocoa, but on Jomoka. Is that say yen to me, own to me, bread. And hatako and tiko and boko and fat as you may 4 and quadribesian bank. Nasabu almost tiko ni na ban so far on Sikaso and Kosha baby. Mestre, government must release money to Cocoa Board for them to be able to pay this license buying company, for them also to be able to pay the various farmers. Now some Jamra our various cocoa farms. And that's it.
Ghana Cooperative Cocoa Farmers Association. I'm running real peace FM, you know, Siakasi boom. Yani president of the Poyano, you're right, easy for Isaka, everything come on. The Cadna and I are Cassie and the Bon Comona, Nani Nafa. Cocoa for Swan or Mus was said, Womuko, Mahata, Mayabari, Satagi. Now the Sian top. And Tiatia is now grown into Yan say. Your baby said Ghana Cooperative Cocoa Farmers Association was said. The appease news yet in no crowum. Now, a Penyah Pani Yampa. Ora easy for Isaka, etu no nimu tuosi ni todua se. Dia yeti ya na ye no kre. Ene yeso wo mo ye ntiremu. Waso be di pa se fiti afi atwam last year November. Ebesi nda ye ka sei. Embada se enyumeku a wo mo kokoko ton license. Eye license buying companies no. Wo mo ma sebi embebisa kokoko buo. Ene kokoko akuafo kra ni kokoko nanu mpo na kampese. Wo mo yisimpo na ateku. Ato 1 bag, anto bag, anazo olonka ba kumpo. Ena kokoko yibu awiemu a wa mahata amana ye bare se konkonte. Eno da nchen a kokoko akuafo abre akote yasio. Do kokoko ya keri. Se beye aye beto di ama wo mo. Aye dem pa. Na ye na no ochiremu se kanene na nkante sa o. No amoto no kakra na nzo so. Afia sase bampo de bobo ene medi nkanka no chese womo a womo to kokoko no mma mebisa kokoko no buompo ena womo ne kokoko kuafo di ano amoma to biako wechemu se ha dwene pa until last year say nkrofo enjoy Christmas no nananom kokoko kuafo de o man de
encho omanum sanse de anu ordinary ato se okoton no koko enya sika ma oni abusan na fili mutu mudu no sika na ma ye ina nana ya akasi bisa se na wo mo hwemu a ede na de sa ha ya ba ma licensed buying companies yi wo mo ntete ku anase mpo meto koko yi eno so wo mo no mu sia yi ebisa ne san ebisa wo mo se na adan ena koko yi na wo ho sa chakenapa ye mu mra meto na amania licensed buying companies to wo manim no wotumi se de aye mpampima na osi akwa no eso chen no wasen ebro wo mo licensed buying companies ne so na eno na wase wo mo Ghana Cooperative Cocoa Farmers Association de wo mo duaduamu a ko bisabisamu no wo ma hunu se cocoa board at the licensed buying companies ne ka na eka no eye ka susuro echeyokozuna eno ka ubi ena ma omu ntumi nto omu cocoa no
mansan dwa so a enso to enti aban ne baba ka kire mo se koko buo akofam enti on pese o muti koko buo no so na ena dollar so akofam ena de a wo mo boa mo nsore waka o mo pese o mu bu mu faso wo pese wo mo de mo sekan edwa nanka mo nsore waka wo boa de o mo kan bia we wo mo anetena kroma etwetwere adanse no na me de amamo no me ka se eba no so ye si na wotwe na amu no eno na me de abekire mo ha ye the evidence o enti o pesa bu kokwa akuafo mo de kokwa akuafo aye anima ye fam na me kwaka ho asema na mo de me akokot na mo ni se milo na mo nom ni breakfast na mo fa no kra na bebo mu dua mo malusu kesi no o pasa no ko bie because we book kokwa akuafo afa so na me beka now the make court o sara no paso na di kokwa ye breakfast ya di what be that o bu mi afaso o bu kokwa akuafo afaso o bu Ghana fo afaso na sa Abronye beka na di Abronye court no wasan di kokwa sika ye Ghana fo sika ene me de twe amanso me amini bio mona mo siase mo no mo wo hwane mabobo bra na dian ena mo kita towo PhD ena hwane mo konya amanso so mo ntima nyi sika amfiri mu botom amfantwe amanso no you see mi wo sika sa ya amanfo binum anum dwa no mo mfa to baabi moni nam kroma randia binu ye wosika ukonya amanso nso no cocoa board sika ena ade kotwe amanso cocoa board ena tua falling fee cocoa board ena represent wo eti efrifine efrifine enti saanete na mo yesa niama we nyina mo bu akuafo afaso a me yasoma me ka sei me ya mo de amba kan bia kotre ne wo ho ebebo ahomache 12 no abe report to me
chere wadwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Media Accra.